Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video you're going to learn about how you can actually start making money also by staking, but also by playing games. Yeah, playing games. So if you're interested, make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so today we're going to look about Kryptomon, which is a very interesting project in my opinion. The main reason is because I think that when you are in the process of becoming financially free or you want to become rich, it doesn't matter which stage you are in the process of growing financially, it's very important to enjoy the process. And I don't think that there is a better way of enjoying the process by literally playing games and making profits. And that's why I find this project very interesting. Now, as you see in their white papers, their team, like there are several colleagues, not just one person that are working on this project, and they all have previous experience in this field, what makes much more trust to actually get into this project and even just starting to read about it, because you see that we're talking about something that is very serious. Now, the idea of this amazing project is, as you can see in the headline, care, breed, fight, and earn. And the main focus in this project is that it's actually a game that is documented in the blockchain. And by the way, they have loads of articles anywhere, like people talking in so many places that you can see, like Forbes and Yahoo Finance and much more. As you can see also, they are now in phase 1, which is actually their gameplay. And that's why I think that this is an amazing opportunity to get started, because you see that this project is in the beginning but already has a lot of requests. So first of all, what is Kryptomon? So Kryptomon is, the idea is that it's a game, and they also have a token, by the way, and you can actually make money by taking care of your creature, grow them properly, and then play with them by doing different fights and stuff like that. And when you win, you actually get rewarded. As you can see in here, every creature has a potential, and they have like real features, and I think that this what makes this game very unique, because as you can see, they can falling sick, they can get hungry, they're learning, and you are as the player in this game, you are the trainer. And when you training this, so it's very similar to the idea that you have Pokémon, or if you know the old series Yu-Gi-Oh, like it's not exactly like that, but it's kind of an upgrade of all of this previous games, because when you have your own creature that you're growing, it actually pushes you. And also when you're looking at it as a business perspective, it pushes other people to get into this game and taking it very, very seriously. What makes you feel more secure, because when you see that you have a lot of people that are actually getting into this project, you understand that it's very serious. Now, besides the idea that you can actually play games and get rewards and also breed your creatures and actually have more creatures, in which are also unique in NFTs, so you can actually stake the coin that you're buying. Okay, so they came on, you can actually stake it and actually earn tickets to win Kryptomons NFTs and also a lot box. Okay, and staking, it's very easy. The idea of staking is that you lock your part of your balance for a specific amount of time. It can be a week, it can be a month, it can be a year, it can be several years. And the idea is that you actually support the liquidity in the specific blockchain that you're staking your cryptos. Now, in order to buy, all you need is to go to PancakeSwap, and then you will be able to just purchase. It's very, very easy to purchase in PancakeSwap if you have a wallet. If you don't, you can just connect your wallet. Not really that matters, as long as you can hold it BNB and also those coins. So as you can see that there are several places that are talking about the idea in here that it's a blockchain game that has monster in it, and you can actually take care of the monsters and teach them and help them grow. Now let's talk about the team a little bit. So the team, as you can see in here, look like a very nice people, and each person in here, you can actually see the LinkedIn account and actually see exactly who you're talking with. And I think that the beauty of this project that I didn't see in a lot of projects, and that's what makes this project serious, is that you can actually have links and have real pictures of the team. It makes it just more credible. I know it sounds obvious, but most crypto projects doesn't have them. Okay, and also they have their white papers noticed in a very noticeable place in here. Now, as you can see, they have a very detailed, and I would totally recommend you all to get into their website by clicking the link down below and actually read about them. The main idea and the main concept that you will understand by reading in this white papers is that you will understand the different details, small details that you have in this game, whether it's that you have your own creature and your own monster that you take care of it after you take care of it and bring it to a specific level, so you can actually breed them and have kids, and then you have family that you created, and you can actually earn from every battle and every we'll call it battle that they are making and winning, so you can actually make more. Okay, on taking care of them, you get points. Like, there are a lot of concept in this game that is very detailed, that not just making people to it will take them time to understand this game and to get into, but because it's very detailed and have different stages. And as you can see in their website, we're just in stage 1. Okay, so you see that there is a lot to go through, but already you see that there are a lot of people that are already talking about that. And you will see that the main concept in this game is that you have creatures in a metaverse, but they live there like a real creature. Okay, so if you're the kind of person that sometimes need a break from our world and want to just clean your head and go to play something, so I would totally recommend you to go to play this game, because you also have the chance to make some money from it. So why not? And another amazing thing is that in this project you also has a community of members. Okay, it's not just that different random players are just playing, but you can create a community. Also, they have their social media, so you can also go there and actually ask questions from different people that have in their social media. Now, as you can see in here, that they have more than 79,000 followers, and they have apps. So if you're interested to make the process very comfortable and you're not always around your computer, and but you do have an iPhone or an Android, so it might be a good idea for you to get started by using the app. So as you can see in here, they have a lot of posts, and you see that there's a lot of engagement and retweets of their different posts. And you can see in here that we're talking about a very serious project, and if you have any questions, make sure to get into their social medias and ask them, and that way you will be able to genuinely understand the potential on this project, and to understand if this is the right project for you to invest right now or in the future, or in the future. Now, one last concept that I wanted to talk with you about in here is that you can genuinely buy eggs as well. Now, what does it mean to buy eggs? So when you buy an egg, it means that you're taking care of a creature, of course, but right off the bat. Okay, so besides that, you can also buy on Binance NFTs of this project. Okay, you just click in here, and then you can get to Binance NFT Marketplace. Now, the different NFTs that you can see in here are actually eggs. And as you can see in here, they cost between 150 to 200 BUSD, which in my opinion, as I'm looking on this project, it can go much higher. Because this project is just in the beginning, in first stage, so I think that that's why they have currently very affordable prices for almost every pocket. So for summary, if you're interested to start making money from Kryptomon, whether it's from staking or whether it's from playing the game and earn by winning in different fights, and actually also create a family and actually expand the sources of income that you have in this project, I would totally recommend you to go to their site, kryptomon.co, click in the link down below, and actually get into their community, mingle, understand what is going on in here, and actually sign up to their next event to have the chance to get the best prices, to get to this game, and also to get benefits right off the beginning. So thanks again for watching this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.